Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pulling all 3 credit reports and listing each negative item to fix. While you have the reports, match every entry to bank statements, payment records, or invoices so you can prove accuracy or error. Once done, prioritize items by age and impact so you attack high-impact negatives first. Make sure to document account numbers and dates exactly. This saves time on disputes. You're starting the fix now, collect, compare, and create a simple evidence folder for each disputed item. You now file disputes with each credit bureau and send direct notices to the creditor or servicer. Explain clearly why an entry is wrong and attach the proof you gathered. Bureaus have 30 days to investigate, so set calendar reminders. At the same time, call the creditor to request a goodwill adjustment if the debt is paid or negotiate a pay-for-delete if appropriate. Then get agreements in writing. Keep copies of certified mail receipts and confirmation numbers. These records create leverage. If the investigation, you finish by verifying bureau results and confirming that incorrect items were removed or corrected. If a dispute fails or a creditor won't cooperate, escalate. File a CFPB complaint or consult a consumer attorney to pursue identity theft claims or violations of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Once resolved, rebuild by maintaining on-time payments, reducing balances, and using secured credit if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if fixed items reappear, document the reappearance immediately and reopen disputes, referencing your prior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.